It is Saturday, the 3rd of December. And busy day today. People were shopping. I wanted to remind you about these very cool items that I have at home that I love. And I just wanted to remind you what a great gift they are and a great gift for yourself. This is the circular solution to your circular needles. It's a canvas, hangs all the way down, it's twice this long, and you poke your needles in on one side and slide them through and they stick out the other side. It's marvelous. You can keep hundreds, maybe not hundreds, but you can keep a lot of needles on this. It is awesome. The circular solution, it is $34.95. Love it. Perfect. All right. Happy holidays. Starts Monday. The email is going out. Watch for it. It's a happy holidays event. You will get and see on the email, you will see a calendar from the 5th through 12 days. So through the 17th, through the 16th. Coughing again, sorry. And each day on the calendar each day has an item pictured on that day. The 5th, the 6th, the 7th, 8th, blah, 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 all the way down. So on those days, like on Monday the 5th, whatever is pictured on that day is what is available for Happy Holidays, your gift box, and it will be a 10% discount only on that day, only on Monday. And then when Monday's over, we move on to Tuesday and the next item, and on and on and on. So you need to visit the website every single day to get your 10% discount and pick the items that you want in your holidays box. If you want them all, that's great. That means you've got to visit every single day. But if you really want them all, and I think you do, it will be the whole kit and caboodle, the happiest of holidays, the bonus, the coup de grace. You can get all the gifts, one-time purchase for $300. What? $300. That is over 30% off individually priced items, okay? $300, you get every single item on the list, all 12, and you can pick it up at the end of the 12 holidays, or we will ship it. We will ship it for a $10 fee, so we'll call you for a credit card and get that $10 shipping fee. I'm excited about this. These are really great gifts. It's not just stitch markers and needle stoppers, right? It's good stuff. And if you already have some of it, keep it and give it as a gift. Share it with your friends and family who are crafty, right? So plan on it. Budget $300 and buy it all, every single one. It'll be amazing. All right, so watch for the email. Pay attention to the directions and start shopping. What? Start shopping. It'll be so fun. All right, that is it for today. I guess I talked too much today, so hopefully I'll be better on Monday. I will see you then.